Hi YouTube, today we're going to be playing Don't Push the Wrong Button. Let's see how we did it. Okay, let's start from level 1. From here it's kind of easy. I've done it before. So yeah. This is really easy, it's just you need to find the fingerprints. Nope. Yay! Actually, we got 3 stars in that one. Level 2 gets more difficult, so it's a really fun game. You guys should install it. Okay, I think it's the key. What the heck? Okay. Do you have to do like with this? So I have to mess around with this. Nope. It's just cable was for me. Oh dang, I just passed. Now I have to wait. I'll get this 3D stuff. Okay, no, close. One more. Barely the second level, so I'm not sure why it's hard. Okay. Come on. Hurry up already. Oh no, it's close. And house key. What the heck? What's wrong with you? Okay, so that's the only thing. And no suspicious thing. I go wild. Wait, no, that's level 7. Sorry. Yeah, let's just fail this. You don't push the wrong button. Come on, it's barely level 2. Why am I so dumb at this? Car, hand, house, key? Okay, we tried that. Let's just skip on to the next level. It's getting hard. When I was doing it, it was the key or the train looking thing. Okay, now it's white. What are we supposed to do? That's the only... Okay, so that means we passed the level. We're supposed to like wait for a certain amount of time. Okay. I think so, probably. Oh, I think I did the wrong one again, but we'll just continue on with this one. What is the code? Oh. What is the code? Give me the code. Oh, okay, maybe not. God. I don't know what level this is. Oh god, I'm just gonna put a random code. Yay, it's the right code. 347. Okay, let's just try something else. Don't push the wrong button. Just go to level 4. Sorry guys, in my next video I'll probably do it in order. And I might do Happy Wheels one day if it's on Android. What am I supposed to do? Come on. Oh, right. I thought that was this. Wait, what? Oh my goodness, I don't like guessing these codes. What is it? 049? That's the sound of pain. Real bad pain. happen. I knew that was gonna happen. It's not like counting these things, I'm just guessing when they're happening. What's wrong with this thing? Yeah. I feel like we should do level 1 again to make this really, really clear. I might do dumb ways to die one day. Because I'm dying so badly in this game. Ha ha ha, you make funny jokes. Yes, I do. Come on! 705. I passed the first level. So happy. If I want, I'll buy this one day. This level's only available for the purchase thing. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna buy this because it's so complicated. So this is one of the dumb ways to die. Out of all the dumb ways. I think we're running out of time, so well, I guess this is how I end my video. See you next time.